UREVO Strol 2E, Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Overview: a compact walk-run treadmill that works under a desk, handlebar down, and as a standard treadmill, handlebar up. It targets apartment, home office users who want daily steps without dedicating a room to a full-size machine. Key features: 2-in-1 design, under-desk walking mode and upright running mode. Folding, low-profile frame. Handle folds, unit rolls under a bed, sofa, desk. Max speed, walking mode 6 kilometers per hour, approximately 3.7 miles per hour. Running mode, usually 10 to 12 kilometers per hour, approximately 6 to 7 miles per hour, depending on region. Motor, about 2.25 HP peak class, optimized for light cardio and steady walking. Deck belt, compact belt, roughly 42 to 45 inches long times 16 to 17 inches wide, with multi-layer cushioning. Weight limit, commonly around 265 pounds, 120 kilograms. Smart bits, Bluetooth app support, remote control, basic LED readout, time, speed, distance, calories, and sometimes preset programs. Extras: safety key in run mode, phone tablet rest, transport wheels, and silicone oil for belt care. Exact numbers can vary slightly by retailer/region. Check your unit's spec label. Performance: walking desk use, excellent for 1 to 4 kilometers per hour paced sessions. Stable, quiet, and smooth. Long bouts, 30 to 90 minutes, are comfortable thanks to consistent speed control and modest deck compliance. Light jogging running, adequate for short cardio bursts or beginner intervals. The short deck demands a mindful stride. Taller runners or forefoot strikers may feel constrained. It's not designed for high-intensity sprints or marathon training. Noise: quiet hum at walking speeds. Conversation and calls are usually fine. Running adds thump from footfall. Still apartment-friendly, but place a mat if you have neighbors below. Thermals and duty cycle: the compact motor handles daily walking well. Long, high-speed sessions can warm the unit. Rotating in slower blocks preserves longevity. Ease of use: setup arrives largely pre-assembled. Unbox, unfold the riser, attach the safety key if running, plug in, and go. First use belt centering is typically done at the factory. Minor tweaks take a minute with the included hex key. Controls: simple LED panel plus remote. The remote is great under desk. Keep fresh batteries to avoid dropouts. Speed changes are incremental and predictable. App experience: basic tracking, time, distance, speed, estimated calories, occasional preset workouts. Sync reliability is generally good but not fitness platform grade. Treat it as a convenience, not a coaching suite. Storage and mobility: light enough for one person to tilt and roll. Low height slides under furniture. Great for multi-use spaces. Build quality and comfort. Frame and deck: sturdy for its class. Minimal lateral wobble at walking pace. At faster speeds, you'll feel more vibration than on a heavy gym unit. That's expected at this size price. Belt and cushioning: multi-layer belt with modest give. Comfortable for walking. Runners may notice the short deck more than the cushioning limits. Handlebar: functional, folds quickly, and doubles as a security blanket for new runners. Not meant for body weight support. Safety: running mode, safety key stops the belt if pulled. Keep it clipped. Under desk mode: keep toes clear when stepping off. Use gradual speed changes. Avoid loose clothing. Flooring: a rubber mat reduces slip, noise, and dust ingress. Maintenance: belt lubrication, light silicone oil every 60 to 100 kilometers, or per the manual, keeps friction and temps down. Belt alignment: 2 rear set screws let you nudge the belt if it drifts. Dust control: vacuum around the intake and under the deck monthly in dusty rooms. It's for apartment office users wanting daily steps while working, beginners and return to fitness users aiming for light runs and brisk walks. anyone who prioritizes small footprint, easy storage, and quick setup over advanced training features. Value for money. Strengths: versatility, walk plus run, compact size, easy storage, quiet operation, and a price that's often far below full-size treadmills. If you'll use it primarily for walking/desk miles with occasional light runs, the value is excellent. Trade-offs: shorter deck and lighter motor than big machines. No incline, usually none, or a fixed slight incline. Basic app and fewer coaching features. If you need sustained 10+ kilometer runs, interval sprints, or incline hill work, you'll outgrow it. Pros and cons at a glance. Pros: true 2-in-1, under-desk walking and upright running in one unit. Compact, folds fast, and stores under furniture. Quiet enough for calls at walking speeds. Simple setup. Remote makes under-desk use easy. Solid value for daily step goals and light cardio. Cons: short belt limits stride for taller, faster runners. Typically no adjustable incline. Basic app, not a substitute for serious training platforms. Remote needs care, battery, reception. Not intended for high-intensity or long-distance running. Buying tips: measure your stride length. If you're tall or plan to run more than 10 kilometers per hour, confirm the belt length suits you. Plan a mat to cut noise and protect floors. If you'll primarily run, consider a mid-size treadmill with a longer deck and stronger continuous-duty motor instead. Remember, click and buy. We find the Amazon link to the product in the video description.